Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this part of the video, I'm going to show you how to trade spot on Bybit, how to choose your trading pair, how to place a buy or sell order, and how to check your order history afterward. When you open the spot trading page, you'll notice a drop-down menu next to the trading pair at the top left. Hovering over this drop-down shows you all the available spot pairs, along with the latest traded price and the 24-hour change. If you have a specific coin in mind, just type the name into the search bar to quickly find it. Some of these pairs have a 10x label, which simply means they are also available for spot margin trading, but for regular spot trading, you can ignore that. Once your trading pair is selected, make sure you're on the Spot tab. You'll see the two main options, buy and sell. Bybit gives you different order types, but the easiest one for beginners is the market order, since it executes instantly at the current market price. If you choose market, all you have to do is enter the amount you want to buy or sell. The system lets you switch between entering the order by value or by quantity depending on your preference. There might sometimes be a small difference between the maximum value shown and what the system actually uses. That's normal and acts as a buffer so your order still goes through even if the price moves slightly. Once you confirm your amount, a confirmation window appears. Just double check that everything looks correct and then tap buy or sell. Right after that, your market order will go through successfully. If you want to review your orders, you can scroll down to the section where all your current unfilled or triggered orders are displayed. This is the Current Orders tab, and you can also choose to show orders from all trading pairs at once. There's even an edit icon where you can adjust your price, trigger levels, or quantity if the order hasn't been filled yet. For past actions, you can switch to Order History or Trade History, where Bybit stores up to 6 months of records. And just like that, you now know how to buy and sell crypto on Bybit using spot trading. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.